Yes, I am. Hello, people. Welcome back to another hot wing mukbang. Are you ready to pick, Anthony? Let's hope we did not pick the number 10. Let's find a mystery.
Oh, it's a weak one. It's a 5.
It's a 5. What is it?
Heartbeat.
Heartbeat.
This one.
Is it?
Heartbeat
All right.
hot sauce.
What's the
It
ingredient?
has red habanero.
Okay.
So
There you go.
ingredients: bell pepper, onion, white vinegar, sugar, red habanero, garlic, lime juice, kosher salt, and
Sound
canola
yummy.
oil.
Sound yummy. Let's
It also
do it.
has poivron, some other stuff.
I can't pronounce whatever it is, but a 5. Easy peasy. You can definitely eat this one. Alrighty, we'll be right back with the food. Alright, we are back, folks. Let's see if does mommy want to be in the view? Let me.
It's okay. I don't have to be. Well, I could probably handle number 5.
Yes, you can handle number 5. Is it recording, Anthony? Can you see? Okay, so here we have the food, folks. We have the wings both ways. Some Frank hot sauce wing for Anthony with some cheese bite that you like, Anthony. Some asparagus. Anthony starting to eat asparagus as well. Some potato tots for me. And here is the sauce.
Heartbeat.
Yep. I open it. The smell. Go ahead and smell.
Smells tomatoey.
It's tangy.
Really? We'll
Smells the
see.
same like all the other sauces except
Let's shake it up. Let's shake it up. Okay. First one. I'll let you try first, okay? Because this is only a 5. You can handle it. Oh, it's somewhat thick.
Oh, Daddy put it on thick too.
Yeah. As you can
Covered
see,
in
it's covered. And then I use my trusty little brush here. I like it already. You know why? Because it's thick.
Yeah, it's not too liquidy.
Yeah, I don't like it when it's too liquidy.
It's more on one side than the other.
Yes, I'm gonna try to be as evenly coated. Here we go.
Just make sure when you bite, you don't inhale.
Yes, see? Here you go, Anthony. Your first.
Tartar sauce.
I'm gonna make myself one. Is what mommy wanna try?
I'll wait to see what Anthony says. Mine would just have only one part. It don't cover the whole chicken.
It's only a 5.
No, but I like.
Well, you like Frank more?
Now you feel it.
Now you're feeling it?
It's good.
It's good? Really? Oh,
That's why I only
It's
want
sweet.
one part.
it's sweet? Ooh, okay, mommy.
They added sugar, so it's sweet.
Okay, mommy, you want the whole
Just
thing?
one part.
Just one part?
side. Like one row. That's it.
Okay. You had like about 5 drops there.
Just one row
There you go.
down to the
There you go. That's for mommy, okay? This is only 5.
It's sweet. I like it.
Anthony like it. So I'm gonna give it a shot. My turn. You can see it right here. Look at that, you know. Oh, really?
It's sweet and then it burns.
It's only a 5.
I know, but I can't handle a lot.
You can see that's my nice coat on this side. I'm gonna flip it over, give me a few more drops here. There we go. What was that?
The refrigerator. When you don't
Oh, I forgot to close it. And here we go. My first, we call this thing heartbeat. Right there.
See, you burn the roof of your mouth.
It's sweet.
It's good. It's just, it does burn.
Good flavor. Good flavor.
I like the sweetness of it. It's like advoc, but more flavor.
I like it. This got my. If you like hard but not too hard, this one definitely have. It's a winner as far as flavor.
This is a sweet advoc.
I like it. I like it so much. I'm gonna put some more on.
Yeah, that's probably the hottest I can eat.
This is good. Do you want another wing with the same sauce?
I like the sweetness a lot.
We found a winner here for Anthony.
Definitely my favorite sauce.
It's still burning. Doesn't it burn still? Like it lingers.
Well, Anthony wants some more of this, so here we go for Anthony. 5 is something he can handle for sure.
It's like the best sauce we've had.
It's Anthony's
Yeah,
favorite.
it's got good flavor. Back to my Korean sauce.
There you go, kiddo.
The burn lingers, doesn't it?
Anthony
The
disagrees.
roof of my mouth is still burning.
Anthony's saying, "Oh no, it's
The
good."
roof of your mouth? It's like
Yeah.
the part that doesn't burn.
That's the part where you bite down onto. It's the first contact of mine.
It doesn't burn for me. I don't feel anything though.
Well, here you go, Anthony. I guess Anthony will be eating the one with the Frank hot sauce today.
I will.
Oh, he won't.
It's still my favorite.
Okay. Really?
This might be.
Second
It's
favorite?
very close.
Very close. Well, here's the one with the breading, the potato starch breading. So, oh yeah, I'm gonna pour a whole bunch on this suckers. I can definitely handle a lot of this, and the flavor is really good. So,
Yeah, it is good flavor.
Ready for the crunch?
It is crunchy. I think with the starch, it gives more surface area to put sauce. It will hold the sauce more. This is finger licking good sauce. I agree. I think this flavor is better than popcorn.
It's stronger than Advil. It's like Advil, but it's stronger.
For sure, the thickness of the sauce is my kind of.
So this is your favorite sauce?
Yeah. I'm gonna eat it with my potato top as well. What's some asparagus? So out of the vegetable you like to eat, Anthony? Asparagus, green beans, broccoli. Which one's your favorite?
I like green beans.
Either this or green beans. Probably green beans though.
Really? So broccoli's last then?
Yeah, because broccoli's not sweet. Green bean is sweet. Asparagus can be sweet. But typically broccoli is not sweet.
Here you
Dip it
go.
in the
I just dumped
sauce.
a lot of sauce on this one. Coat that baby up
My mouth
with
is-
my
Burning.
trusty blue
Let's
brush.
look at the sauce.
His mouth is still burning, he says.
A little bit.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. This sauce
Cheese balls are hot though.
this sauce lingers around more.
How's the cheese ball?
Good.
Soft and
Hot.
You want one, Mama?
I already had one. I didn't know.
Good stuff. No pain today.
Well, if I had more than that, it would be painful. But the one side is okay.
I'm thirsty.
Mommy, can you get something for Anthony to drink? So for sure, this is something that we will reorder. Is this from Ontario? This is from Canada. Ontario, Thunder Bay. A winner, folks. Not too hot enjoyable pain. Anthony, that's the right word I would say. Enjoyable. It's no pain for me, but for Anthony and Mommy, it's enjoyable pain.
Oh, for mommy, there's nothing enjoyable about the pain.
It's enjoyable for one side.
Really. I can eat a whole bottle. This is good. I enjoy it.
I like the sweetness a lot. It's like sweet and sour sauce, but spicy.
It has that sweetness like a mild sweet and sour from like an Asian restaurant, I think. And then a little heat. Not very big, a lot of vinegar flavor, so it's not like it's more sweet than sour.
And it's spicy sweet and sour sauce.
It's somewhere like a spicy sweet and sour.
But if it's temperature hot, it burns even more. Whether it's the cheese or the meat. Because it's already burning.
We disagree, I think. We still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Still 9 more. And in that 9, I think there's 3 mystery.
And we've already gotten one, so there's 2 more.
Yeah. We still have a couple mystery, which
Excuse me.
could be scary.
It is finger licking good.
Did I overcook the asparagus?
No. I was a little chewy.
But that's not because you overcooked it. It's because asparagus.
These are good asparagus because they're young to the stem and not fiberish. I didn't have to cut a lot of the bottom. You have to throw out.
Because I
But-
got it at Publix,
Yeah.
not at the other store.
Yeah. I'm gonna eat one of your cheese thing.
No, I'm deflated.
You like them?
Plus asparagus, we have that seasoning on it.
That's what I put in.
The garlic breads.
Yeah. And
Oh yeah, I taste it.
yeah, that's what I did. I did. Was it ranch powder? What is it?
It's garlic breads. Bread.
Oh. So you need to eat your 3 francs. Okay. Well, folks, we're gonna finish the food here. It was a very enjoyable hot sauce, and it got a big thumbs up from Anthony and I. We definitely will reorder this again.
What's my new favorite?
New favorite. You hear it here. More than Frank.
Let's see.
Okay, I will.
Debatable.
What?
It's a flip.
There's still a naked wing left here, Anthony. So if you,
Oh no, they're both so good.
they're both so good. Well, there's still a naked one here without the sauce and 2 with Frank. So if you want me to put the hot meat on that one, you can have it too. See, when it comes down to chicken wing, Anthony like what do you call this part? I just know these are drumette.
Those are the wings.
These
wings.
are the wings.
The wings.
Anthony,
Chicken wings.
Anthony,
Chicken wings.
it's chicken wings. Drumette, mommy, you want one more? No?
They're 2 pieces of chicken.
I know, but I ate some snacks earlier.
That's it, folks. Until next one.